guys, welcome back to Cricut Monday. I'm so happy to be back. What we're going to do this week is I'm going to take my Avery shipping labels and use an image that I found online, and I'll put it in the description box below. I believe it was a free image. It's this real pretty French country farmhouse saying, and we're going to put it on a piece of wood that I picked up at Target's dollar spot probably last fall, and I paid $5 for it. But first, let me tell you something. Anna Louisa Jewelry reached out to me, and this is not a sponsored video. I'm not receiving any money at all for this, but they have partnered up with the CDC Foundation, and they are located in New York, the Anna Louisa Jewelry Company. And what they're going to do is they have made this unisex bracelet. I believe they're selling it for $25. I'll put all the information in the description box below. I've ordered 3. And it just says that it's that we're stronger together and we're united together. And it's just a unisex band, and it has gold link in the front with 2 of them intertwined. And I'll put a picture here on the screen so you can see it. But 100% of the proceeds go to the CDC Foundation. And I'll just give you a little information. In January, the CDC requested that the CDC Foundation, which is an independent nonprofit organization, activate our Emergency Response Fund to provide support to rapidly emerging response needs. Support from individuals and organizations provides much needed funding to meet response needs where federal and state funding is not available or available quickly enough to meet the needs. What they're basically doing is they're giving support to the state and local health departments, support for global response, logistics, communications, data management, personal protective equipment, and critical response supplies, and more. And by buying one of these bracelets, like I said, 100% of the proceeds go to the CDC for this Unity bracelet. And it's just really cute. It's a unisex, and it has a black cord and a gold chain, which symbolizes their interdependency, all of our interdependency. So like I said, I'll put that in the description box below if you're interested. Okay, I already have Design Space loaded here on my computer, so I'm going to go to the new project, the circle with the plus, and that will put us on our canvas. I'm really excited to do this. Now we're going to go to Images right here on the left-hand corner. Click on that, and I'm going to go to Browse All Images here in the center that's green. I'm going to click on that. And then over here on the left where it says Ownership, like I said, this update changed things a little bit, how it looks. Click on that and click on Upload It. And this is everything I've uploaded. So this is it. I love it. Okay, I click on that and puts a green box around it. Go down to the right bottom corner, Insert Images. And then I'm going to go to Shapes over here on the left-hand corner and pick a circle because I want it to be kind of like just a round sticker, okay? So I'm going to make this one, I'm going to click back on my circle, and I'm going to make it 6.75 by 9.25, and then I'm going to lock that little lock back, okay? Then I'm going to bring it over here, and I'm just going to rotate it, holding this right like this. And I'm going to change the color of this just so that I can see if it's sticking out better, okay? And I'm going to move it right here, all right? Then I'm going to go Arrange right here at the top, and I'm going to go Move Backward because I want this in front, okay? Then I'm just going to draw a box around both my circle and this image and go down here to the bottom right corner, and you will see Slice right here, and I'm going to slice it, okay? And what that did is it just got rid of all this, and it turned this into that circle, all right? So we're going to click on the white. We don't need that. We're going to click on that, and we're going to X out of that. Okay, now I'm going to go up to the top and unlock, and I'm going to take this to 6.75, my whole image, to 9.25 and lock that back because I want mine to be like an oval, okay? If you wanted it elongated, top to bottom, if you wanted it left to right, you would just leave it how it is, okay? And you'll see here in our layers column panel that it's a cut then print. We're going to go to make it right top corner. My computer is connecting to my Cricut, and you do not want to mirror this. We're going to go to continue. I have my Avery sticker sheet in my computer. I'm going to send it to the printer and hit print. I'm leaving the bleed on. And we're going to put our Cricut on custom. And I just want to do the washi tape. If you don't have this as a favorite, mine is a favorite by that little star, you would just browse all materials in green, type in washi, and washi tape. Okay, and then it puts a, if you click on it, puts a green check. Go down to the right bottom where it says done. Okay, now the next time you see me, we will be cutting this so simple but really pretty French Country farmhouse DIY. Okay, here is this image. I love it. It's so French Country. It would definitely go farmhouse. Like I said, I'll put that in the description box below. I'm using my standard grit mat. This is the piece of wood that I had. I got at Target's Dollar Spot. This is what it looked like, and I will paint the back, but I just didn't for this. It was $5. I got it, like I said, I think it was last fall. And to get this look, if you like it, I wanted it to just look like an old barrel, and to me it does. What I did was first I used this white acrylic paint apple barrel from Walmart. And then when it was still really wet, I put on this Americana Deco Art cream wax in deep brown, okay? And then I dried that with a hair dryer, and then I went over and just dry brushed it with a Truffle Waverly chalk paint. And that to me really gives this a good feel of just a barrel, okay? And then here's my Avery sticker sheets. You can get these at Walmart or Office Depot, anywhere like that. They're 8.5 by 11. They also have the transparent ones. You could do this on printable vinyl if you wanted, okay? Now I'm going to put this on my mat. Just press it down. This is such a simple little DIY, it really is. We're going to insert with the blinking arrow and then cut with the blinking C. It's that simple. And I think this is going to give it such a cute little look. My husband has had so much problems with his, he chipped a tooth, a upper molar. It's chipped right into, you can see the filling. We've been trying to get a dentist to do something. It has to be pulled, you can't save it. And we can't find anybody that will come in to do it. And he is on antibiotics for it. Our primary care doctor gave that to him. He's really having a rough way about it. So I appreciate your prayers on that. But other than that, we're getting along really well. I'm glad to have my router back, like I said. Now this is just going to cut that oval shape since we put that circle and sliced it like that. You could just, if you wanted, have it cut out, but I wanted some white on this. And we're going to eject it because I want it to look, seriously, like an old barrel. Okay, then all you have to do is we have this big sticker, as you can see. I love that. And I love the colors. Okay, let's put this on. Try to get it where I want it. because these stickers sometimes okay, we'll take a look at this. Okay guys, here it is. I love how it turned out. To me, it just looks like an old barrel with its label on it. I really do love that free printable. And what I did to keep it from looking so white, which you could leave it that way and be very pretty, I just took this Distress Oxide in Vintage Photo and just took one of these little daubers and just sort of smeared it over there, and I love the effect that it gives. You can give as much or as little as you like on it, but I love how this turned out. I'm going to put this in my hutch, I'm almost positive, and I'm going to do a decorate with me for my hutch once I get everything made to go in there, because right now I can't go out and buy anything. So I just get to have fun decorating, but I think this is such a cute French country farmhouse little DIY. It really reminds me, like I said, of a barrel. So I'll be sure and put the link to this little printout. I believe, like I said, it was free, in the description box below, and I'll put the link in case you want to order one of those bracelets to support the CDC to help fight the virus. So like I said, I ordered 3, one for myself, one for my husband, and one for my mom. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it, and I'm glad to be back. I really missed you all. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.